Now, by necessity, this will have to be a short video because I do not want to damage my camera, and it will also have to be done in monochrome because I do not want to damage my camera. So, let me put my safety goggles on. What you're about to see is the first production model of the El Cheapo Mark V. What does it do? Well, it looks a lot like the Mark IV. It's not the final configuration. You see this wire loop here. This is where the safety interlock is going to go. I have turned it off for now because I'm going to be doing this handheld. It's not going to be in a CNC machine, although it's supposed to be. But I figure I want to show you something. So let me break the rules for a moment. It also has two Mark IV fans instead of one larger fan that will arrive later. This here is a green, I'll show you later the color when I take the filter off, piece of 1/8 inch acrylic. And this guy here, the El Cheapo Mark V, total weight approximately 120 grams, will now cut this in one pass. Not only that, but it will be cut by my hand, so there will be a little bit of wobbling and shaking because my hand is obviously not as precise as a CNC tool. So let's see what we can see here. Mostly light. I will be feeding this 12 volts from a ATX power supply, which is a common power supply for 3D printers. So yes, this will go on a 3D printer, but I want to play with it by hand for a moment. And so it comes on. And then it comes right back off because reasons. Let me adjust the connector here. There we go. What I will do is I will cut this in one go using my hand to hold it in place. So no CNC, my hand will wobble. And start now. Again, one passage, no going over, and even if I could go over again, my hand's on a CNC mill, so it will not be precise. There is some wobble. The cut has been completed. And I need to adjust the fan a bit because one of them is touching the other. So now we can take the filter off and observe the result. As you can see, and let me put it under some light, the cut does not burn. This actually vaporizes like a CO2 laser. Observe. The next step is naturally to install the Mark V where the Mark IV used to be. I foresee being able to show you a nice CNC cut very soon. In the meantime, this is probably the most powerful solid-state laser available at the moment. I think we've hit approximately 10 watt. Again, the El Cheapo Mark V from Robots Everywhere. As usual, I will make the design and schematic and parts list available in a couple of months. That was the end of the demo. Thank you.